Hot welding of internal and external miters. When all of the Altro safety flooring has been fitted, the internal and external miters should be welded first. For easier starting, turn the speed nozzle at the end of the welding gun to the up position, or use the Altro Coving speed nozzle, which is specially designed to weld miters. Cut off the required length of welding rod and feed the rod through the speed nozzle, slowly bringing the gun down the miter and onto a spatula placed at the bottom, which will give a nice neat finish at the end of the weld. Leave the rod to cool down before cutting and trimming it with the round-shaped router blade. Blend in the edge using the same tool. On the external miter, you will need to groove the cove section of the miter, and also make sure that the top section has been cut to form a V, so the welding rod can be heated into it. Groove and weld the back miter and makeout section, then leave the rod to cool before cutting and trimming. On the external miter, use the square-shaped router blade, or alternatively, use the concave blade to trim the weld. The weld can then be blended to the ASF with the round router blade or a blending roller.